Today's view continues from where we left off yesterday. Still in the Bronx, still trying to find parking. I kept driving around the neighborhood, but the streets really gave off that New Jersey vibe. At one point, I realized I'd gone way too far from my destination, and the thought of walking back later in the evening, in unfamiliar territory, wasn't sitting right. So I circled back, hoping to find a spot closer to where I needed to be. For my viewers outside the US, yes, parking in the Bronx can be a mission. This is what it really looks like. Would you have guessed this was New York or Jersey? And where are you watching from?
Can I park here?
Head northeast on Byron Avenue toward East 239th Street, then turn right onto East 239th Street. Take the next right onto East 239th Street, then turn right onto Barnes Avenue. Take the next right onto Barnes Avenue, then turn right onto Nereid Avenue.
So what do you want to tell me? Maybe I could just park here.
At the light, turn right onto Nereid Avenue, then turn left onto Byron Avenue.